Hola peeps, welcome to Kalak's Learning Day. Today we are gonna make, actually I don't know its name, I personally call it a twister toy. So grab your material and let's get started with today's session.
Materials you require to make a twister toy are Fevicol, scissor, colored sheets, a thin stick, pencil and a circular object. Now you have to make small circle, so take any sheet and a circular object and make 2 circles on the sheet. You can use pencil, pen or any medium you prefer. Now use scissors to cut these circular shapes out of the paper, but be careful with the scissor. And at last you will get 2 circular cutouts like this. Now take a sharp object to make hole in these 2 circles and insert thin stick like this. Now take A4 size sheet and cut a thin strip from it. You have to cut these thin strips from other colored sheets too and check whether they are of equal length or not. If not, then cut the extra part. Now you have to join one end of the strips to the upper portion of one of the circle. So to do that, you have to pour some Fevicol and take a strip and paste it in this way. Now you have to repeat the process to join the other end of the strips to the lower portion of second circle. Here your toy is ready. Enjoy making it with kids at your home. Happy learning!